Hi everyone. So it's Honzino here, and this is another interview with our lifetime member. And we are going to talk about his journey with us, as he's been with Forex League quite a long time. And he's the one who recently passed the free challenge taking rapid signals. So definitely stay tuned and let's see what he will tell us. So hi, welcome next time.
Hello, hello.
Hi. So tell us about something about your journey. How did you start? How did you find us? What makes you sign up?
So it was a very long journey. It is a very long journey. I think it's been 2 years or 3 years. I'm here since the beginning, and I was looking for some lectures and some videos that how to do this forex thing. And there was plenty of service provider, but
Yeah.
I like this forex league stuff, Angelo and Nick, and I write them. That's if they can help me, and they were very friendly, and Forex League was very this client centric, so I liked it very much, and I joined very early at a very early stage, and I was following them and receiving this new videos, the new website, the new Facebook,
Yeah.
and
So it was at the beginning where they started to grow, right? It's,
yeah,
I guess it
exactly,
was like
exactly.
few months Forex League existing.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, exactly.
especially at the early stage like that, what makes you decide, okay, so I'm gonna purchase because it was like $50 that time, right? It was
Yeah,
very.
yeah.
So what makes you think like, okay, like give them a chance? What was it behind that?
I got this trading plan. It was a very good and informative PDF file, and I could use this for my teaching method.
Mhm.
And I saw that it is very informative and good for me. And it was an easy language, easy to understand, and I could follow the instructions in the trading view, and I see that it is working. So that's why I choose to subscribe. And
Mm.
of course, because Angelo and Nick was very friendly with me and with the others as well, and the community was growing, and there was very good feedbacks, and that's why I joined.
Mm. So you just saw that what they are doing, it works, right?
Yeah, that's because it resulted very good, and I used because I was not sure that, and I tried first with demo accounts, and
Oh, I
was
don't know.
working, and it was working, and after I subscribed and sold, and there was plenty of videos and books, and
Mm.
I printed them and used them, and also there is in one-on-one course,
Oh, right. Yeah.
and based on the videos I could ask my special questions from
Mm.
Angelo, and I know that it was the back testing. It was very demanding for me, and I didn't understand, and sometimes I don't understand it today either. And Angelo helped me how to be more confident, how to draw charts, how to analyze the charts, and with 3 or 4 one-on-one, I presented my opinions to him, and he helped me to be more accurate, to be more professional,
Mm.
and that's why I like
Yeah, I
doing that.
definitely relate to it because I started with Forex League also as a lifetime member, and it was the same for me. I had some information from the from internet, but everything like messed up, and I didn't have the like a plan, right, trading plan. And so first time I joined the signals, then I joined the lifetime membership. I was just sure because because the one-on-ones I was scheduling like weekly one-on-ones,
Yeah.
and I went through the homeworks. I have many questions, and even Angelo, I remember he was surprised because I remember they just, okay, now teach me, right? But I was different. I was like, well, I need to understand this and this and this. Can you help me with it? And yeah, so it was the one-on-ones really push you forward a lot. Yeah, so that's I.
And I like this method because in the videos they don't just show me a prepared analysis. They showed me from the beginning, from the first step, that how should I start,
Yeah,
and how a
right.
website. For example, they showed me the trading view, the Nash market. So that's why
Mm, yeah.
that's why it was very helping.
Mm. So because you are a member since the beginning, right? What do you think about the progress and development Forex League itself, the brand?
I liked that they were very open-minded for the feedbacks. So if they developed some new video or
Right.
something like that,
Yeah.
they asked the community that everything is understandable and everything is good and useful for us. And for this feedback, they prepared more videos or some more explanation, and it is very good for us. I think not for me, as I think for the whole community.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that's what are they doing even with the funny trader, right? Just you have to give people what they want. If you will just giving them something what the people doesn't want, they are not going to join you, right? So I think it really makes sense, but you don't see it quite often, right, out there. They just give you the course and do whatever you want with that. But this is kind of different approach, like personal approach to you, and yeah.
And they understood, I think, that all the community members are in the different levels and they have different questions, and it is
Yeah.
not enough that they explain something from their perspective. They
Yeah,
explain
exactly.
the others from the others perspective as well, and that's why it was very good for us, I think. And
Yeah.
that's why if you see the following people, that it is growing very fast because of this.
Yeah, that's right. So I guess you have done right the main course, and have you looked at any other courses in the industry, or you just stick what you were learning with Forex League?
I checked the other service providers, but I couldn't reach them if I had the question, so I didn't,
All
and I
right.
don't, the materials were not formed for me because it was very difficult for as a beginner for me, and I couldn't understand, for example, if there are very difficult things for me, and I couldn't understand it and I couldn't learn it from this.
So there was like a lack of the support, right? And just
Yeah, there was
couldn't
no,
get
I
couldn't get
made
more
the question and
explanation.
there was no support, so
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's yeah, cool. So let's talk about nowadays about the rapid signals. So you are taking rapid signals. You now become a bit famous. You passed challenge with rapid signals. So let's talk about that. So how long have you taken the signals and practicing to understand what to take and everything before you take the challenge?
So I think it's been a year. I'm doing this every week, or not sure every week, every second week analysis. I have pairs. I'm following them, and I prepare analysis as my for my own. But for in weekdays I'm working and I don't have time to react. For example, news or something like that, and that's why I'm following this rapid signal channel, and it is easy to confirm that if I think something that
Mm.
and a signal is coming, that I think it is the same, so I can open
Right,
the trade.
right. So are you taking all the signals, or you have just some your preferences? You mentioned you
I'm
have a
taking,
favorite pair.
yeah, I have favorite pairs. For example, the USD Swiss franc, it is my favorite, but
Mhm.
I'm taking all the signals because it is for the in the view of the consistency, it is important to following all the signals because I'm not
Mhm.
always right. And if you, for example, if you think that the Swiss franc should be sold, I think should be bought. That okay, maybe some differences, but I need to follow all the signals. But if I don't trust signal because I think that it will be not good or not good enough, then I risk half of the one
All right.
percentage
Yes.
or half percentage. And that's how I
Okay. Yeah.
manage it.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Right. So how many signals you take at once? Anything what they send you take, or you have
Yeah.
limitation like 5 for a day, or
No, I follow all the signals, but except cryptos, I don't like cryptos because I have a bad experience with crypto because I think, but it is my opinion, of course, that it is a react for the news very as a roller coaster, and I don't like this thing, and that's why I'm not following crypto
right. So
signals.
could you give us an example, show us how is the process behind you taking the signals, everything? If you can maybe share your screen and go through it,
Okay.
how you and maybe explain a little bit the managing or your risk management.
Okay, that the first I in the weekends I analyze my favorite pairs or I set all the levels that is it is important. And Angelo showed me this tradingview.com. I have an account for this, but it is not a premium account. It's a normal user account. Here you can see the MAs I use. And I have levels set here. I never delete these levels, and if you see that this almost followed, and it is very good. And the last time I saw this Swiss franc that it reached this key level, this monthly key level here, and I was sure that it can't be broken, so it will be a bearish movement. And here you can see another cross of the MAs, and I think that a signal will come in the past week, and in the 20th of October, Forex League sent me this rapid signal to sell USD Swiss franc here, and I set this trade with 2 and more than almost 3 times risk reward ratio. So that's how I follow this trade. But the most important that as for my work, I can sit in front of the computer whole days and can't calculate in very in my mind. So that's why I use this mesh market calculation. I set this here. I can select this. I use this Forex. I decide this USD is short. I set the stop loss and calculate the position size, and it calculates. I think that I.
So are you risking always 2% for a trade?
No. I use 1.5 or 2 based on my opinion, but never more than 2. The 2 is the maximum I risk. As for this, it calculates me for almost 4.5.
Yeah. So you never had problem like during the challenge. You never had problem with the drawdown.
No, it is need to follow the rules. So because it helps to be more profitable, to be more consistent, and that's why people need to follow this 2% maximum rule.
Can you tell us the rules? What, like when you see the maybe it's gonna be losing trade, what is your rules to avoid the drawdown?
So for me, I have special rules because I experienced that if I open a trade, I follow them closely for 2 or 3 hours, and if it doesn't move, that it means for me that maybe it won't be good. So maybe I close half of it, or to be more secure, to be more patient, and let it go. But if it is moving for 4 hours, it goes for me 2% or something very good profit, then I think that maybe I shouldn't be greedy and I should close it. And this happened in 2 weeks ago, because the US 30, I got a rapid signal that I didn't check the US 30, but I opened it. And I think in 5 minutes it went $6,000. So it was absolutely very good. And after, I think it was good and it was enough for me, and I closed it. However, you didn't say that I should close it. It was my decision, and it was very good, because after 2 or 3 hours it went a bit back. So thanks that I was not greedy, I won more.
Oh, that's good. That's a good mindset. That's good, really good mindset. Okay.
Yeah.
So what would be your advice for people who are taking the challenges?
I think first they should check the videos, because they will feel where is their knowledge. So if they are good in, for example, in drawing charts, and they are maybe not good in psychology, as I think that it is very important. And after they saw the video, the rapid signal channel will help them to be more confident, because if they have their own analysis and they got a signal that it is same as their analysis, that it will help them to be more confident.
Yeah, I have the feeling from you, like you almost like expect the signal, right? You're waiting there, and now you're selling, oh, it's going to the level, the zone, you expect the rejection, you see the rejection, and then okay, now there should be the signal. If there's a signal, you take it. Yeah,
Yeah, but
that's
yes,
completely
and
understandable.
I'm not sure of always in the levels. Maybe what the best stop loss or the take profit level should be. But if I see it in the rapid signal group that it is a confirmation for me that okay, it is good now, as mine. And of course, it is good for me as well because there are many other pairs that I don't analyze them, but you do, and it helps me to be more profitable.
Ah, that's nice. Cool. Okay, so now you passed the free funding challenge, free Forex League
Yeah.
challenge. So now the funding challenge is waiting for you. So what do you think is gonna be your approach? Will you just follow the same rules, everything the same?
Yeah, I'm following the same rules because it worked once for me,
Yeah, right.
and I think it is working for a long time, and that's why I'm following it again. I think it will be successful.
Yeah, I see the way you analyze your charts is the same way as the main course is, right? So in the main course, when a person purchases the lifetime membership in the main course, we teach them how and where to mark the weekly, the monthly, right? And I saw even the moving averages are the same. So I think that's definitely would be good for people who's will be profitable for people who have the main course and they will understand definitely more than people
Yeah,
who
and
doesn't
also
take it and taking just the signals. But as you mentioned, I just want to explain people the videos you mentioned to watch. Guys, when you purchase the rapid signals, you have like a short course. They are like videos. Watch the videos because there is explain how to manage the signals, right? The trades. So as he mentioned, so it's very educational and use it as your confirmation tool, right?
and also one more is very important for me. I don't know if it helps for the community, but for me, I have special rules as a psychology rules because I don't like, for example, holding trades over the weekend or overnight
Right.
because if I hold them, that I might not sleep well or something like that. That I
Yeah,
close
getting
them for
nervous.
every week. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You
exactly.
never know what's going on during the week.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
yeah, exactly. It's also
Yeah.
important.
So you close every time, no matter what it is, just yeah,
Yeah. I close them. I close them. Yeah.
nice. Okay. Good. So what's your next plans? Now funding and what's next?
The most important, I set short-term goals. So the next goal is to pass the challenges. And if I will be there, that of course I will continue this with the Forex League. But I don't want to say more.
Yeah, who knows? Yeah, right. Okay, well, let's wrap it up. So if you have any message for people who are thinking or following Forest Teach, thinking about like sign up, but they are not sure, what is your message to them?
It was for me. It was also very hard to make the final decision to subscribe because it's some kind of investment for it into
Yeah,
yourself. Because if you subscribe, that you need to learn, to need to pass the lectures, that to check the videos more, and repeating them, and to ask many questions for the support because you are not confident. But after I think for a few months, if you are dedicated, that I think it is a very good opportunity to make money, to be profitable,
yeah,
and
right.
it's a very good journey.
Yeah, I agree with that. When I bought the membership, it was my birthday present. Best birthday present I ever bought for myself. Really. Okay. So I want to go through a few things for people who doesn't know what we were talking about. So you see my screen?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. So this is our page. So if you are not following us on Telegram or Discord, you can see all the links on our page. You scroll down. That's what the membership includes. This is pricing, rapid signals, trade copier. These all the rapid signals and trade copier are included in the membership, right? If you scroll down, you will see all the links we have, Telegram, Discord. I'm the support for Discord. I'm support for the lifetime members. So if you have any question, join the Telegram or Discord. If you join to the Discord, I will send you a message, welcome a message. You can apply on it. Or if you are in a Discord, you will see here is all we offer, right? Click on a lifetime full course membership. Click on it. We always posting here information. I'm posting here where to contact me, so you can shoot me a message. Now I'm going to be available for calls. So if you want to, if you are not confident enough, you can schedule a call with me and I can explain everything. For example, how the free funding works, right? So this is a challenge that's also included in the membership. The reason why we have this opportunity is because now we are funding, we have the funding firm. You can see here who is the owner. So we are partnering with the BBS Academy, and we have together the funding firm. You can see all the challenges here. So if you will pass our challenge, the 50K, you will receive free funding challenge from our firm, which costs 3,315, right? If you think about it, the full-time membership is for 500, and you have unlimited retries. Once you pass the challenge, once you pass the funding challenge and you get funded, then you can repeat the process all over again. So that's why we are confident to say it's a free funding, and you will ever have to pay for the challenges you want to take. Yeah, so if you have any questions about this, as I said, shoot me a message and I will be in touch with you. And yeah, that's it for today. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for having you on, and I will monitor you closely how you're doing with the funding challenge. Good luck.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks.